Hey guys, it's Ben. It was a bit busy yesterday. I didn't get enough footage of anything. I've been cleaning up my yard a bit, getting shit ready for the scrap yard. I got another pile behind that, up against the coop somewhere back there, ready for the tip. Then I went and had to go help my mate get his new car registered. I'll see if I can chuck a couple clips of that in today. What else? Yesterday I was here playing with this stanza diff. I had a bit of trouble getting the brakes off. It was all a bit jammed on there. I had to peel the backing plate back, but the backing plate's fucked anyway. It's all rusted out and shit. You can see there's a lot of crap in there. I haven't finished on it yet. It was supposed to be LSD, so, but when I turn this side goes the opposite direction. So probably not LSD. So I'm just at the moment gonna pack my tools up from yesterday. Probably shouldn't leave your tools on the grass overnight. It's not the best place for them and you'll lose everything. Pack my tools up, gotta head into town. Alright, I'll see you soon. Done. Right. So that's the suspension on that done. And Abdul's washing my car. Right, so we're back at home. Jamie's car, all his suspension is fucking smick now. This afternoon, I'd like to try to get the rest of the interior out of the coupe. Okay, so we're out here with the orange coupe. Plan is I'm going to pull all this shit out of here and put it into boxes. And then I'm going to fold that seat down flat and put all the interior out of the other coupe in here as well. Right, and that's all cleaned out of there. Now we're going to go get I'll get the seats and shit and everything and see how lazy I get before I finish and see how much we get in it.
Alright, so I'm done for the moment. The doors and the rest of the interior and stuff I'll pull apart as I need. When I start to take the doors off for paint, I've got to change the glass in them. I got to change most of the glass with the glass in that coupe because this one's all fucking scratched up and fucked. All this plastic in the back here I'm probably going to change with the orange coupe and put black interior in this, but leave these seats. So I'm going to box up all these seat belts, put everything else back in the back of the orange coupe for the moment. Yeah, we're almost start ready to pull the chrome off the side and the badges and the strip and start getting stuff ready to sand back. I guess I'm looking forward to it, but it's just a big job. Like I said, I'll go back to work on the 28th. Gives me about 20 days to hopefully have this thing, at least all the bodywork, rust and primer done, ready for paint and then reassembly. Should get there. Keep plugging along. I hope this video hasn't been too boring. There's not much going on today, just cruising around. We got to, have a look at Jamie's suspension. We pressed some bushes out for him and shit. Change that over. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it at that. Go pack the rest of this shit up and I will talk to you tomorrow.